Last week, a major legal decision out of the 5th District Court of Appeal is making waves across California agriculture. The court has rejected the Wonderful Company's challenge to the state's new farmworker unionization law, keeping the law fully in effect. The law signed by Gavin Newsom last year allows farm workers to unionize through what's known as card check. That means a union can be recognized if enough workers sign authorization cards instead of holding a traditional secret ballot election on the farm. Wonderful argued that the law violated their rights as an employer and made it too easy for unions to organize without proper oversight. But the court disagreed, saying Wonderful needs to take its objections to the Agricultural Labor Relations Board first, rather than blocking the law in court. For growers, this ruling is significant. It means card check organizing efforts can continue immediately, and the large farm employers may face a faster, more streamlined path to union certification. It also signals that future legal challenges to the law will likely have to work their way through labor board processes before ever reaching the courts. Industry groups are watching closely while the United Farm Workers is calling the major victory for workers' rights. For now, the takeaway is clear. California's new unionization rules remain firmly in place, and every ag employer in the state should be preparing for how this change labor relations heading into 2026. Stay with us for continued coverage. Check back for more updates right here at the Ag Center News.